After lots of leaks and speculations, Vivo has launched the V9 smartphone with a notch in India at a price of Rs 22,990, and in fact, Vivo becomes the first mobile maker to launch an Android phone with a notch in the Indian market. Today, we have the very same phone in our studio prepped up for unboxing. So without further ado, let's jump into it. The front side showcases the display with the notch of the V9 device, and that's about it. The SAR value mentioned on the box is 1.380 head and 0.40 body. Opening the top lid, we have another box inside which we have a transparent back case, paper documents and SIM ejector. Keeping it aside, we have the mobile in golden color. The display already comes pre-installed with a screen protector as well. Other than this, we have a wall adapter, micro USB cable and headphones too. These are the inbox content of the Vivo V9 smartphone. Talking about the build, the Vivo V9 doesn't feel premium as it should be at this price point. The shiny rear feels like a plastic and also picks up fingerprint as well. The mobile feels light at 150 grams and is 7.8 mm thick. The device is good to hold as it has a curvy back and also sits comfortably on the hand. However, one-hand usage is a bit difficult when it comes to this device. The Vivo V9 sports a 6.3-inch display with a 19:9 aspect ratio and a resolution of 1080x2280 pixels. The display has a decent color reproduction and a good viewing angle and brightness as well. We will be discussing about it in depth in the review video. The notch sits at the top and houses the 24-megapixel selfie camera, earpiece, notification LED and other sensors. The left and right side of the notch shows the phone status icon and time. This smartphone also supports OTG feature when enabled. Moving on to the placement, we have the power and the volume rocker onto the right while the SIM tray is on the left. It has a dedicated slot for 2 nano SIMs as well as a microSD card. At the bottom, we have a 3.5mm audio jack, the primary microphones, a microSD port and a speaker grill. Flipping it back, we have a dual camera setup stacked vertically and a LED flash beneath it. The dual camera consists of 16-megapixel primary camera along with a secondary 5-megapixel camera to capture the depth information for the portrait shots. In this mobile, we have a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor which we feel is a bit above. The Vivo V9 is powered by Snapdragon 626 chipset with the 4GB of RAM and runs on Android 8.1 Oreo with FunTouch OS 4.0 on top. It comes with a pre-installed app including Amazon, Flipkart, Facebook and much more. Fortunately, this app can be deleted. We have 64GB onboard storage with an expandable option up to 256GB with microSD card. On the first boot, we got around 1.5GB RAM free and a 48.97 onboard storage free as well. This device is packed with a 3260 mAh battery and supports 4G VoLTE too. The Vivo V9 comes in pearl black, champagne gold and a sapphire blue color with the price tag of Rs 22,990 and is now available for pre-order on Amazon, Flipkart and other offline retail stores as well. The Vivo V9 goes on sale from April 2nd. So this is it guys for the unboxing. Do hit the like button, share and subscribe.